That's what I was looking for, was actually right next to the fridge where the caffeine was. When I heard a thump, and I thought I better come up here in case Custard and Till were starting something, although they usually get along pretty well. They spend a lot of time together in the same room, and they just ignore each other, and it's perfect. I only see 4 or 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's good. Oh, I'm gonna sit right here again. Okay. Oh, I brought something else, kids. Do you want something else? I brought a few something else's. This is probably way too big for this room. I was just about to explain I wasn't going to bring the whole thing, but I grab it and run when I heard what I thought was a scuffle. It was not. Yeah, okay, well, that's big mesh box. This must be big mesh tunnel. Do you know how long the tunnel is? Pretty long. 67 inches. That's quite a bit, huh? It's not like it wouldn't fit in the room, but there's a lot of stuff in the room already. So that's gonna sit it around too. We thought with the cube for a minute. I might not be able to just leave it here. And I put that weird knockoff, like wannabe ripple rug on the floor next door, and I assume their mom's just gonna pee on it. Almost immediately. Not sooner. Alright, big cube. Whoa, that is a big cube. That is a big round room. Okay, there we go. Oh, pop all the way out. There we go. Alright, you just take all of these off. I think it's confusing enough, even with 3-ways in. There we go for now. Nice construction on this thing. Brilliant. Okay, which way to put it here? Just like this, Bill. Yeah, buddy. You want to start out inside? Whoop. That fits the bill. Okay. That's pretty sturdy. Oh, I think if I put it the other way, it would be more sturdy though, and then they can jump on top of it. The way I put it, if they jump on top of it, it will collapse instantly. It's the weak direction. The other direction, I bet they could even stand on it. I think we got to do that. I think we got to turn it 90 degrees. This way it'll work. The other way would have worked too. You kids were both standing on that edge, so there we go. Custard, when I said you could probably jump on it this direction, I didn't mean you. Not sure about that, buddy. That might be a little much. Right. Weird, huh? It's a strange place to be, isn't it? Okay, I don't want to leave you up here not knowing how you got up there. Butterfly tent. Wow, that takes me back. I haven't thought about that in a long time. Those little, like the little weird little tents that your classroom might have when you were a kid to raise monarch butterflies in. They were kind of like this in a way. Not exactly though, because we didn't have this sort of pop-up thing then, as far as I know. Well, teaspoon, you show them how it's done. Oh, that's cute, buddy. Wow, I need you to do that again, except this time with everybody looking from this direction too. That's too much. Let me check the cameras 1 sec. Okay, this one's got to go here. This one's got to go anywhere, and this one's got to go. I hope I just didn't do that backwards. Teaspoon, I need you to go back in there and do that again, though. Can you do that for me? Can you go back in there? Would you? Yeah, you would. I think you're really interested. Okay. Those kids can't compete with you, so go for it. Oh, but now you're going to be facing the other way. Well, that's fine. Everybody else will be able to see it. Or will you? Here, buddy, come here. Teaspoon, let's get you turned around so we can see you from the good camera, the good side. Get your good side. Aw. Come on, buddy. I know you can stand up better than that. Get it. Get it, little bluffy boy. Come on. Teaspoon, now. Come on. I wanted everybody to see you standing up all proud like you were a minute ago. Oh, really? Mm-hmm. You think you can just take it? Come on, buddy. Yeah, just have it. Oh. I don't know about you on top either there, buddy. I thought maybe the kitten would do. Might be a bit much for a teaspoon. Okay, Till. Still in the box, huh? Oh, nice catch, Till. Custard, does anybody even know you're here? Alright, kids. I need my phone now. I want a teaspoon. Alright, buddy, here. You want to win? Take it with you. Want to take it, buddy? Come on. Pick it up, you gentle giant. well, that didn't work. Look at you looking around in there, Till. That's very Tilly. Very Tilly. Okay, if you're having that much fun with that, maybe we should put out the tunnel for a minute. I know it's going to make this one extremely crowded, but that's fine, right? For a minute, for fun. There's some things I have to undo. Twist tie right here. I don't want it to explode out and surprise all of us. It's about as tall as I am. Not as long as I am. Oh, English. Let's see here. This kind of knot. How does that work? No, get it? No, not bad. Don't tell me. Oh my goodness. Oh, got it. Okay. This can go. Oh, there's another zip tie. All right, good. And zip. No, twist. All right, there we go. And the difference. All right, there's the other one of these I expected. Also all tied up. Oh, some technique. Oh, all right, easier though. Oh, that's it. Okay. This side. We don't need this thing. Oh. This is in the middle of the zipper, isn't it? Which way do you go? Walk the wrong way. Right. Okay. How do zippers work? Nobody knows. Nobody knows these things. Okay, I don't have enough hands. We're just gonna leave that on. It's fine. I just don't want to surprise anybody too much. So how do we carefully pop this up? Bit at a time. Okay, that wasn't too bad. That is long. Hi everybody. I'm about to go James Bond in here. Yeah. I don't know how that's supposed to work, folks. I do know there's a lot of stuff in the room. This not gonna work. This it's here. This we don't need right now. It's too much stuff. This can zip in, but I'm not gonna go through all that work. I'm just gonna set it right here. This, if we have it pointed towards the camera, should be a pretty fun view from the floor. I hope, maybe. Still be able to see something, maybe. Now we can just move that camera downstairs. I don't care. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 kittens right here, huh? Cool. Mom's gonna play with them. Guys, I wanted to play with my phone, but now I gotta film again because this is. Teaspoon's tea stuck. Hey, buddy. Trying to free your paw? He's trying to play with it just like they are. I accidentally picked up the toy and I wanted to show you them playing. Now Tail at least is distracted. Buddy, do I have to trim your nails before you can come in here? Oh, you're gonna wreck it. He does so you guys probably don't know this about Teaspoon, but he has been shredding one of our bedspreads. It's not like this in any way, but he likes to just grab it and just tear it with his teeth, like a thing, like just as a comfort thing to do. Otherwise, he's not very destructive. It was kind of like what he was just doing there, and I was wondering if he was going to tear through it. Hopefully, this is sterner stuff since it's made to put your cats outdoors in. Wow, hey, look at that, guys. It is. It's just like James Bond. You guys got a view to a till. Come on, that was obvious. Be good, Tilly. I'm watching you. What are you meowing at? Meow, buddy. What we need is some like a crinkly ball in the tube that somebody outside is going to try to get to. And that could set the whole thing off. Oh, and there's one right there. Candidate. What else we could throw in there? I'm going to play that when I leave. Okay. Oh, here's a better one. Oh, ready for this? Oh, kids. All right, you'll figure it out. That's fine. I need to sit down too. You're old. I'm old. We're all old. What? Buddy, you were always scratching and meowing. What's up, buddy? Is your flute getting to be too much for your ears? What does it mean? What does all the scratching and meowing mean? You just don't know how to take care of yourself yet? Check your ears out, okay? Oh, that looks real good. That's a nice ear right there. Your floof does go every which way, though. I bet if you got a little bit of floof pointed in there, that could be real annoying, couldn't it? Yeah, I would have to guess. I'm old. I got a ear floof now, too, buddy. Well, that's about as good as I can get it. You got a lot of little ear hairs, though. Oh, look at that. Look at that coming. Yeah, let's do the other one. Over here, even though it wasn't bothering you. Oh, it's a little dirtier, huh? Are we paying attention to this side? There you go, bud. Better? Worse? The same? Oh, Till's teaching her kids not to nurse anymore. Like, yep, I'm your mom, but we're not doing that. Good job, Till. Proud of you. Could have done that 4 weeks ago. Whoa, all right, that was a little bit much though. You want to go take a break, kiddo? You want to go sit on your sofa? Watch your soaps? I mean, you're blocking the road, that's all. All right, we're gonna have kitten playtime in here, and we're gonna have old grump time next door. Oh, wait a minute, I'm gonna be in here though. Oh well, doesn't have to be a theme. I know if I have to lock that, she probably doesn't know how to open it. Probably. Hey, and I don't want you to figure out how to open it either. You probably would just start pressing on it until it fell open. All right, 4. Missing one kitten though. 4, 5. Okay, 5. I see you over there now. Now let's play. No, teaspoon. Oh, she is playing in there. Is that camera still on? She's going nuts in there. She was just waiting for a chance to play by herself. That camera is on, but you can't see the fun part. Hang on. I got it. Don't stop, Tilly. That looked like a lot of fun right there. Teaspoon, you gotta stay on this side, pal. You don't want to go over there, do you? Do you? All right, buddy, but if you get in trouble, it's gonna take me a minute to get to you. Oh, you got in trouble. You all right, bud? I guess you got told. Teaspoon, Teaspoon, come here, buddy. Come here, Teaspoon. Come here, little buddy. Come here, little orange boy. Come on, I still love you. Come on, she's playing her own game over there. She doesn't need you. She might have been trying to play with him, and she just was doing it too soon before he had a chance to get all the way through the door. Or she might have been telling him to stay out. She was having her own fun. Who knows? No, it doesn't matter. Teaspoon, you're gonna sit with me now. She's playing her own game. Okay? Look at all that dirt, buddy. You were just dirt face, aren't you? Wait. Before you go, hang on. I'm gonna stop rubbing your face, okay? Want to hang out now? Bye. Better stay on this side though. If you try to go over there again, I'm just gonna have to go over there myself and lock it. Wow, Till's she's having a good time over there. I don't know what's got into her, but it's nice to see her being Tilly. Whoa, that's pretty cool, bud. Uh-oh, somebody figured it out. What are you saying, buddy? Are you just singing to the internet? Is that what you do? Lodge sings. Ledge sings. Ledger. Ledger. Lodger. Lodger. Ledger. I know who you are, buddy. I don't want the barrel of that gun pointing directly at me. Teaspoon? Did you not learn much from your recent experience? Maybe a little? Okay. You still with the itchies, buddy? Come on. What do you need, huh? Teaspoon? Teaspoon. Time to learn a lesson about discretion, pal. Oh, somebody learned. Nice. Till, that's going to serve you pretty well around here. I have to lock her in there now. I mean, she has been locked in there, but you know what I mean. I'm done. Here. Whatever. Hey, kiddo. Hi, look at that. You worked the door. Oh, good. Oh, good. Yeah, oh, good. I think that's good. Yeah. You too. That's very advanced. Who? Who just got his? So we don't need any of that. Aw, Teaspoon Bill. You two odd men out. Till, you a little hyped up, really? That was a pretty big bite for the mesh there. Can you guys see Teaspoon and his little buddy just sitting here? Where's the camera I can put on that? Yeah, you can, okay. Not that there's a whole lot to see, but they're just being cute together. They both like the ball track. They got that in common. Here, sit up here for 1 sec, bud. I'll be right back for you. Let me help him get that game going. Hey, hi, you two. You want me to help you start this game? Here. Here we go. I got it. Here it comes. There you go. Just like that. You know how this goes. Both. Go. Oh, there we go. Now it's on. Open up that bottom camera, I think, a little bit, hopefully. Yes. Oh, not much, but enough to see them a little better without me getting up. I like that. Hey! I'm gonna put you in your room and lock it if you keep that up. Yeah. Okay. Good. I'm glad you're listening to me. Nobody else does. I know. What can we do to get less backlighting? Oh, turn this off. I'm not gonna get up and move the curtain though. That seems like work. That's still a little better. Oh, did the balloons get kicked out of the other room? I'm seeing the pictures now. I missed that happening somehow. Still, I think you are ready to take a break, given that and the fact that you're so yowly and these kids are just playing and having fun. We need to do a little more of that, so. Yeah, same to you. You can come hang out in my office all day like you do, I promise. Kids, I'm back. Hey, Teaspoon, you know this one? Do you know this one? Seems like your speed too, buddy. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go one more time. Oh, maybe we'll get a different number. Okay, wait. 5. Good. Okay. Oh. Sorry, Till at the window. I could close some curtains while I was up, huh? Could have done that. Sorry, Till. Sorry, we're closed. Maybe I should put something up so that she can see the visual barrier, and then she knows that the door still works. She's just not allowed to use it right now. Come on, kids, we're playing here today. Mom's room's off limits. I need to bring a bigger blanket in here so it stays up a little better. It was a bad choice. Jill, don't just knock that down. I know I just propped it up there. It doesn't weigh anything. She's just gonna knock it right over. Yep. Oh, hey, we got the spare barrier. That's nobody's using it. I think it's right next door. Okay, here we go. Now by this point, I'm done in here. I've used up all my time, and I haven't even had a chance to sit down and internet like I was gonna. Kids, I'm talking to you. I don't know why, but I'm blaming you. I'm gonna blame Brolly. Your fault. Soaps. Hi, buddy. Teaspoon, do you want to go? Because there's nothing happening out there. Look at Custard. He knows. He's not going anywhere. Oh, he just looked down the hallway and saw his room's closed. Now he's looking at me like, wait. All right, buddy, come on in then. Oh, 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 the kitten. No, the kitten. Not you, buddy. We're not doing this. Teaspoon, we're not doing this either. You can just stay until I leave, all right? I'm not going to be here that much longer, neither are you. Whatever you're playing with, stop. Not for kittens. Come on now. Pivot. There we go. That. Okay, well, I don't know why they gave you such a big bag for that thing. You want to keep playing with the tunnel for a few minutes? All right, we'll put that away right before I leave then. 1, 2, 3, 4. We better count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it. I can count. I'm good. It's nice to have some practice once in a while. Teaspoon, not too much. Good boy. Oh, Till, that's crazy. I put that barrier up in her room so that she would know that the door was locked. She would have a visual, like, so that she wouldn't wonder whether she could get through the door. It's having the exact opposite effect now. She's thinking, okay, this barrier just needs to be taken down, and then I can go to the other room. Too smart for her own good. Jill, you're not getting through either way. It doesn't matter. The barrier's just there for you. You're still not coming through. We're listening to me.